In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a new plan in Microsoft Planner. To begin, open Microsoft Planner in your web browser. Once you are signed in and the Planner home experience loads, look for the section called My Day. My Day is a helpful view because it brings your immediate tasks and priorities into one place, which makes it a convenient starting point when you want to organize new work. When you are on the My Day page, take a moment to confirm you are in the correct area of Planner. You should be looking at the My Day view, where Planner is ready for you to create or manage items connected to your daily work. Next, find and select New Plan. This is the option that starts the process of building a fresh plan, which you can use to track tasks, organize work into buckets, and collaborate with others later if needed. After you click New Plan, Planner will bring up the plan creation options, and you will be able to choose how you want to start. Now click on the highlighted template option that appears in the plan creation area. The highlight indicates the template that is currently being featured or selected. Using a template is a practical way to save time, because it can pre-fill a plan structure that you can adjust afterward rather than starting from a completely blank plan. After selecting the highlighted template, click Use Template. This confirms that you want to base your new plan on that template. At this point, it is a good idea to pause for a second and make sure you selected the correct template, because it will shape the initial layout of your plan. Finally, click Create. This is the action that actually generates the new plan in Microsoft Planner, using the template you selected. Once it is created, Planner will load your new plan so you can begin working right away. And that is all there is to it.